Hey guys, welcome back to Aussie Built Rides. I'm Anthony and we got some more ninja goodness. So I've actually gotten a bunch of the parts that I needed for this bike. Not a lot of them are stock. Don't like stock, very boring. So we got new exhaust, that's here. What else have we got here? I've got a new tail light, it's going to be black, and a bunch of new indicator stuff. So I've got a bunch of wiring to do in the back here, whole new exhaust system, and I think that's all I've got at the moment. Oh wait, no, I've got levers as well, so we'll put them on. That's it for now, so let's get started. We'll take off these exhausts first. Righty, before I get to taking it off, we should at least do a bit of a sound comparison. So, as you should know, it has the stock exhaust on it currently. Funny thing about these is you don't need any electronics on it to get it started. So there you go, it's a little bit of a cold start. Nothing too aggressive. It sounds really quite light, small. Let's see if we can change that.
Whisper to me softly. I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling.
Alrighty, now, I am a bit of a spastic and I like loud noises. I'm gonna see what it sounds like with no muffler on it. So I got the muffler. Sitting over here on the seat. Here's the pipes. Ow. And here's the bike. It's got nothing on it whatsoever. No pipes. Nothing. Let's see what it sounds like. That's loud. Does not sound throaty at all. It has no note to it. But it is a very funny tone. Alrighty. Now, next thing is I'm actually going to take these off as well. All this appears to do is hold the exhaust, little mount for this, and a foot peg. So I'm just going to make up my own little metal piece that'll hold the foot peg. I mean exhaust. I don't want a foot peg. So I'll get that off and then we will unbox the new one and see where it fits. Alrighty, so I've got this foot peg off. This bracket actually bolts to that, so just to hold that from going upside down and letting it leak out. Allen key to hold that there. So next I'm going to put the exhaust pipe on, and then that should at least tell me where the mounting board has to be. Hopefully it's the same as the factory one on that one. That'll make it really easy to measure out. But just to guarantee and make sure, because I will make up that bracket again just so it holds the brake reservoir and the exhaust pipe. I'll get that new one on there. We'll see how it looks. But before we do, we gotta open it. That's gonna be fun. Alrighty. These are the pipes. So I have got an entire aftermarket system for this. I would tell you the brand, but I don't think it has one. It was all off eBay. I like my eBay. Ooh, soldering wire. So this is what we got. There's a main pipe, two little pipes of connector, and a hole in it. Don't know if I need to wear gloves on these, but I highly doubt it. I'll just rub them down before I heat them up. Oh yeah, nice cute little pipes. Two of them. Oh, this one's got a bung for an O2 sensor. Oh. And a plug. Where is it? Where's the camera? Here. Nice little plug in there. That'll plug off the O2 sensor that's in that one. No leakage. That would be funny otherwise. Ooh, that looks good. Looks really nice. Look at these welds. They are gorgeous. This one not so much, but the rest of them. Beautiful. So that's what we got for pipes. What else we got? We got a muffler. Now, this one I am really excited for. Looks absolutely mint. Look at that. Nice carbon fiber look to it. Best part is, if you look down this end, you can see straight through it. Nice and loud. Cool little jewel tips on the end. I think that's going to look really nice. So for a comparison, where's that other one? I'll just cut that. This here is the stock muffler. You can see in that hole, you can't see nothing. There's no daylight anywhere. Or in that, you can't see shit. So what's going to happen in these is that pipe there will probably come down and it'll actually snake before it comes up at the end. The more bends, the quieter it is. And the more baffling they can put on it. But that weighs a good bit. That is really quite heavy. And this is probably a third of the weight, if that. Really light. That one is. This one weighs a fucking ton. There's another little bit as well.
Yeah.
Right, another little box came with the muffler. Bit of a upsize piece. Don't know if this is going to be necessary. May not. Alrighty. So there's that. Yep, that fits perfectly in there. Look. But now it doesn't go in there. So I'm assuming I'm just going to be able to cut that piece out. That goes straight on that. Perfect. Cool, so that'll work out very well. So that's what we got. Looks really nice. Those welds look nice. Nice colour to them. Muffler is beautiful. So let's see what it looks like on the bike. Righty, now I've got the pipes on all the way through. The springs are in, O2 sensor bung is on. And in case you guys don't have a spring puller, buy scripts. These things did the trick. So I don't have a spring puller here. They did it well for me. So yeah, These are a little bit complicated to figure out where the fuck they sit, but I figured it out. They look very nice. They come all the way around here, so if I move you, you can see they sort of bend around the oil filter, which is really cool. We both go to the one side rather than separating. But now I've noticed that down underneath here, the stock one has got a bracket to hold it. This one does not. So it's obviously going to have the rest of the weight supported by the muffler hanger. And that's where we need to figure out where is going now. So let's bring you back over to here. And we'll figure out, there we go. Let's see how this muffler fits and where it sits. That'll live. So yeah, that pretty much comes up to the stock location. Sweet! Easy. Now, just because I'm a twat, I'm going to start it up again. See how it sounds with just the pipe. Headphone users, turn your volume down now. That sounds way better than no pipes at all, but I think that might be just a little too loud still. Oh, well, we'll get that set up. We will. Alright, so I kind of ended up changing my mind. I had a quick play with it and kind of sort of thought, that doesn't look too bad, so why bother changing it? It looks fine as it is. So I'm just going to try and put that exhaust pipe on there now and put the bracket on it and see how it comes out after that.
So catch me when I fall. Head up in inferno, heaven in your arms, I'm caught in the night till you come around and make me warmer. I can feel my heart rush faster when we touch. Laying at your side and I hope you can feel my love. So catch me when I fall, darling, don't you know I'm not scared at all, so don't let go. Catch me when I fall, catch me when I fall, catch me when I fall, catch me, you're falling. So catch me when I fall.
Alright, there we go. Now for the fun part, let's see how it sounds. Jesus, that is loud. Ooh, alright, eh? I don't think the police are going to like that, that's for sure. That's one thing down. I'll have to go see how long this video is, and then we'll see if we can continue. Alright, so before we leave it off there, I thought we might just do a little bit of a comparison. So this here is my partner's bike. Hers is what, 1 year newer than mine, and it has got a full yoshimura exhaust on it, the whole set. It cost, how much does that cost?
Roughly about $1,000.
There you go, $1,000 worth of exhaust. The one on this that I just put on, I think the pipes were $120, and then the muffler itself was $100. So $220 is a big step down from $1,000, but we'll see if it's worth the difference. I don't know. That one's definitely louder. That is far louder. And kind of scary, to be honest. That one's got more of a deeper note though. So I guess that just comes down to which one you like. Is it worth $1,000? I don't think so. Anyway, I think we're just going to leave it off there for today. So I've got some more parts. We've got the rear sets in as well now. They arrived today. And yeah, a bunch of wiring and simple stuff. So I will have to catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you then. I'm out.